Most people assume that spending very little on a home cinema setup is a fast track to disappointment. They expect a blurry mess and a device that feels like a hollow toy. But the moment you pull the specific projector out of its box, those fears start to fade. It has a solid, sleek build that catches you off guard. It looks like it belongs on a high-end shelf. The weight feels right. It does not feel like it will break if you look at it too hard. Most affordable projectors turn your favorite movies into a blurry beige smear. They lack the punch needed to make an image stand out. But when you fire this one up in a dark room, the brightness hits you immediately. The colors are vivid. The clarity is sharp enough that you forget you are dealing with a budget unit. It makes the experience of watching a film feel like an actual event again. You do have to do some work yourself. The focus is manual. You will spend a few minutes twisting the lens and moving the unit back and forth to find the perfect distance. Once it is dialed in, the picture is stable. It does not drift out of focus over time. Even the keystone correction is impressive for this category. Usually, cheap units give you a distorted, tilted image that ruins the immersion. This one stays square and true. Let's talk about the audio. The built-in speaker is fine for a casual video. It is clear enough for dialogue. But if you want the room to shake during a big explosion, you definitely need to plug in some real speakers. Thankfully, the ports are all there. You have your standard connections and even wireless options for your phone. You will not be hunting for adapters or weird cables. The interface is another high point. It is intuitive. It is clean. You do not need a degree in engineering to change the input. Even the remote feels snappy. You can sit across the room and actually navigate the menus without frustration. The fan does make noise. It is a steady low hum that happens when the brightness is cranked up. It is not obnoxious. It is not the sound of a jet taking off in your living room. Once your movie starts, that sound just disappears into the atmosphere. It is light. It is compact. You can toss it in a bag for a trip or take it outside for a backyard screening. It does not feel fragile. It feels like a tool that was meant to last for years. It is not a replacement for a multi-thousand-dollar theater setup. The color accuracy is not perfect. It will struggle if you try to use it in a bright, sunlit room. But for a dark bedroom or a small apartment, it is incredible. Gamers will appreciate the responsiveness and the sheer scale of the display. You get a massive cinematic view without draining your bank account. It avoids the typical pitfalls of budget electronics. It keeps the quality where you actually need it. It is a genuine surprise in a market full of junk. You get a big screen experience that actually feels premium. It is a solid win for anyone looking to level up their home entertainment. It simply works and it works well. It delivers on the promise of a theater at home without the massive price tag. End of story.